on workspace 3D, drafting and annotation, go to the tab Annotate, and on the panel Dimension activate the command Dimension Dim Jog Line. On Drawing Field, select Dimension to add jog. It's maybe move the cursor and click left mouse button. Next step, specify jog location, but click Shift and click right mouse button, select nearest and move the cursor and click left mouse button. And we can change text. Double click left mouse button and change the text. It's maybe 500 and click enter on the keyboard. No, click on free field and click ESC on the keyboard.